Ever feel like you're going crazy? You're not. You're being gaslit. Welcome back to Be the Red Flag. Today I'm teaching you how to gaslight someone, step by step, word for word. Am I teaching you to destroy someone's reality? No. I'm teaching you to recognize when someone's destroying yours. Because right now, someone is gaslighting you. Your partner, your friend, your parent, your boss. And you think you're the problem. You're not. Let's expose the game. What is gaslighting? Gaslighting is psychological manipulation where someone makes you doubt your own reality, memory, and sanity. It's named after a 1944 movie, but it's happening in your DMs right now. Gen Z deals with gaslighting differently than past generations. Why? Because we document everything. Screenshots, voice memos, text receipts. But gaslighters have adapted. Now they gaslight you about your screenshot. That's out of context. You're twisting my words. You screenshot everything like a psycho. See how that works? They make you the villain for having proof. Let me show you exactly how they do it. The 10 gaslighting tactics. Tactic 1. Deny. 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 Deny everything. Confidently. Even if they have proof. Especially if they have proof. Here's the script. That never happened. I never said that. You're remembering it wrong. Where's your proof? Even when they show proof, say it calmly. Don't get defensive. Make them feel crazy for even bringing it up. Why does this work? Because if you're confident enough, they'll start doubting their own memory. Wait, did that actually happen? Maybe I am remembering wrong. Perfect. Now you control the narrative. The truth. If someone denies something you know happened, you're not crazy. They're gaslighting you. Trust your memory. Screenshot everything. You're not paranoid. You're protecting yourself. Tactic 2. The classic. You're too sensitive. Want to avoid accountability for hurting someone? Tell them they're overreacting. The formula. You're too sensitive. You're being dramatic. It was just a joke. You always overreact. Why are you making this a big deal? This is gaslighting 101. You hurt them. They express pain. You tell them their pain is invalid. Now they apologize to you. Gen Z specific version. You're so triggered. You're acting like a snowflake. Everything offends you. You need thicker skin. Why does this work? Nobody wants to be too sensitive or dramatic, so they suppress their feelings. They stop trusting their own emotional responses. They apologize for your behavior. The truth. If every time you express hurt, they call you too sensitive, they're gaslighting you. Your feelings are valid. If someone repeatedly hurts you and blames your reaction instead of their action, they're the problem. Tactic 3. Rewriting history. Want total control? Change the story. Here's how. Wait a few weeks after something happens. Then casually bring it up, but change the details. Remember when you said, they didn't say it, you did. You're the one who wanted to. You wanted it, not them. I was trying to help and you got mad. You got mad because they hurt you. If they correct you, use tactic number 1, deny. No, that's not what happened. You always remember things wrong. Ask anyone, they'll tell you I'm right. Eventually, they stop trusting their own memories. They start relying on your version of events. Now you're their reality. The truth. If someone constantly rewrites history and you find yourself questioning events you know happened, write things down, date them, keep receipts. Your memory is valid. Theirs is manipulated. Tactic 4. Projection. This one's dark. Accuse them of exactly what you're doing. Cheating? Accuse them of cheating. Lying? Call them a liar. Manipulating? Tell them they're manipulative. Examples. They caught you texting someone? Why are you so insecure? Who are you texting? They called you out for lying? You're always lying to me. I can't trust you. You're controlling. You're so controlling. I can't breathe around you. This is psychological warfare. Now they're defending themselves against accusations of your behavior. They forget what they even confronted you about. Gen Z version. You got caught. You're so toxic for going through my phone. You lied. You gaslight me all the time. You manipulated. You're the narcissist here. The truth. If someone accuses you of exactly what they're doing, that's projection. That's gaslighting. Don't defend. Don't engage. Leave. Tactic 5. Trivializing. Make their problems seem stupid. That's not a big deal. You're upset over that? Wow, you really care about the small stuff. I have real problems unlike you. First world problems. This minimizes their pain, makes them feel stupid for feeling. Eventually, they stop coming to you with problems. They suffer in silence, perfect controlling. The truth. If your problems are always too small, but theirs are always serious, you're being gaslit. Your pain isn't ranked, it's valid. That wraps up the first 5 gaslighting tactics you need to understand. If you found this helpful, make sure you save this video, share it, and stay tuned. Because this is only part 1, and the next 5 tactics in part 2 will give you a complete, clear picture of how psychological manipulation actually works. My goal with Be the Red Flag is simple: to help you recognize toxic patterns, protect your mental space, and stay in control of your story. Thank you for watching part 1. Part 2 is coming up next, and trust me, you don't want to miss it. I didn't teach you this to make you a gaslighter. I taught you this so you can spot one, because someone's using these on you right now, and you thought you were the problem. You're not. Trust your gut. Document everything, and when someone makes you feel crazy, remember this video. Subscribe, Be the Red Flag. Subscribe or stay blind. Your wish.